So we have in the Tesla Model 3 that we're going to be mounting these BBS on.
Providing hub-centric rings. You know, we got everything here. EVS
Oh, nice.
For Teslas.
So we're going from Vorsteiner VFF-109s, great looking wheels, to the BBS. Test fit right now, as you can see, going on.
So, young now, in the coming. Good thing we have ever done here at EVS Motors.
So while we're mounting these, I figured it'd be a good time to weigh the wheels. So we'll weigh the 109, Vorsteiner 109s, and we'll weigh the BBS wheels. Either one is gonna be a lot lighter than factory, I'm sure. One is forged, one is slow forged, so it's not exactly apples to apples. But just in case you like either one, you kind of have an idea what to expect. So that is a 109 front wheel. All right, let's see. 25.9, so not bad, because this is a 20 by 9, 25.9. All right, so we have the front BBS wheel. This is also a 20 by 9. 26.2. These weigh more than the Vorsteiners. Okay, so we have the BBS rear wheel, 20 by 10.5, and these weigh 26.4. And now we have the 109s, the rear 109s, 20 by 10.5. These weigh 27.5 pounds. 109 rears weigh more than the BBS rears. However, the front 109s weigh less than the front BBS wheels. It's not often you see a Model 3 on BBS wheels, so this is a real treat. This wheel design is often imitated but never duplicated by any other company. It's such a classic. Combined with a gunmetal center and a polished lip, it'll pretty much complement any car or build you could imagine. Even though this is a 20 by 9 and a 20 by 10.5 setup, this is the most aggressive fitment we've done on the 3 yet, and you can tell by how it sits. Fronts are pretty flush and the rears are slightly more aggressive. Perfectly fine as long as you have aftermarket adjustable suspension to tweak the setup to exactly how you want it to sit. This is one of the coolest setups we've done, and hopefully we'll see more in the future.